Welcome to RAINS Farm. You can see we decided to take harvests just 5 weeks and 2 days. So we decided to take our first harvest. We had a urgent order, so we decided to take harvest. You can see we don't know how many bags. This is much. This is my, and we are on just a population of, it's not even up to 1,000 plants, but let's just say 1,000 plants. It's not up to 1,000 plants. And you can see this is the first harvest, and we still have like 8 lines, still more. So still harvesting. Yummy. Variety Tokyo. Let's see. So follow Uno road. That is the power of Natsoil. These were grown without the application of urea or NPK, but we use rabbit urine and Natsoil. So you can see this is the power of Natsoil. So place your order for your Natsoil. Reach out to us for your Natsoil and all that. Thank you and stay blessed. So I will make a video of how many bags we are able to generate altogether.